Today I have created an application based on Alibaba Cloud QWEN LLM, and we have deployed this application on Alibaba Elastic Container Instance and Container Registry. So this application is created for AI Hackathon Malaysia event, and my objective is to create a AI copilot which can help any developer, any business user to assist in their day-to-day life. So in this application, as you can see in the left hand side, we have a number of tools are available to help our developer or business user. So first application is about art master, which is the architecture designer, and here you can enter any your business query and it will help you to design the entire detailed analysis based on Alibaba cloud services. So let me paste the requirement for any business query, and if I will submit, it will load for a while and you can see the detailed solution analysis will be provided to you. And this is quite important to understand the customer requirement problem statement and to design our solution in such a way that our business requirement can be transformed into the technical requirement, and then our developers can do it. So this tool can provide you all the detailed analysis of our solution and how to do it, what are the services that may be required to design these services. So this tool, which is known as Art Master, is an architecture designer tool which can help you to develop the entire solution from your business point of view, and it can provide you the implementation recommendation, best practices, cost optimization suggestion and all. So the next solution that we have developed is our diagram GPT. It's quite important to understand, like, our diagram is kind of backbone for architecture. Diagram is the backbone for our solution. So here we have developed a diagram GPT kind of solution which can provide you the architecture visualization, and I will write down any business query and it can design architecture for you. So I will make it like um, so let's make a basic web application diagram. So this tool will create an architecture diagram based on Alibaba cloud services, and it is useful, like your business requirement can be transformed into the Alibaba cloud services and you can have a diagram based on it. So as you can see, like, there is a high level diagram which are the services that you can utilize for your to develop your to develop your solution to meet your business requirements. The next uh, solution that we have created is intelligent code generator. So here it's quite simple, like you can write down your code requirement and it can create or generate a code for you. And as you can see, like, we are utilizing the LLM, which is QWEN LLM, which is quite good in order to generate the code as well. So I will write a requirement like a basic, write Python code to generate or something like that. So I just write a simple query to generate a code, but it is capable enough to generate a complex query and complex code as well. So as you can see, the code has been generated. So we will copy this code and see how what would be our next tool. So next tool is our code transformation. So as you can see, like, first we have developed our code, and now I will paste down our code, and this tool is responsible to transform your current code to some other language as well. Right now it is supporting Python, JavaScript, C++, C# and other languages as well. So let me select C++, and now it will generate a code in C++ for the same requirement. As you can see, it has generated a code in C++ as well. Same, you can do it the same in other languages as well. So next tool that we are looking for is code analysis. So whenever a developer is creating a code, it's very important to analyze the code as well. So we have this code analysis tool, which is an expert code review and can provide the suggestion for you. So let me copy paste the code here, and let's see what are the recommendation or review would be done by this code analysis. So as you can see, it is processing the request and it is giving the explanation about the code. It gives you the dry run some outputs, and it is also giving you the consideration and how to manage the error handling as well. And also it provides a enhanced to version of this tool as well, which is quite good, which is something that a code analyst should do it. Next tool that I have created is about the test suite generator, which will generate a test cases for your functionality or any code as well. So let me paste the same code here, and let's see what are the test cases would be generated by this test suite generator. So as you can see, like the basic functionality unit testing will be created. Then we have some test cases. Further test cases has been created by this tool, and it is creating the test case 4, test case 5, and keeps on doing it. So it will generate the entire test cases, and also it has the capability to create some integration testing as well. So as you can see in the screen, like it has created some test scenarios for the integration testing as well. Additional test consideration are also available, like error handling cases, performance testing, and furthermore. So let's move to the next tool that I have created along with this AI DevTools is the security auditor, which will analyze and review the security vulnerabilities. So I will add the code here, and it will give you the entire detailed security vulnerabilities. So security vulnerabilities plays an important role in our development lifecycle, because a single security vulnerability can lead to the major issues, major cyber attacks. So this is providing the detailed analysis along with the CVSS code as well. You can see the critical vulnerabilities, codes, quality and security issues, and giving the detailed analysis of the particular code so that the developer can review it and update the code accordingly as to follow the security guidelines. Next but not least, I have the entire package for our project. So it's important to understand, like sometimes we have our GitHub repo, GitLab repo as well. But here we will try it out with our one of the GitHub repo. I will paste the GitHub repo here, and it will give you the detailed analysis about the code quality, security, architecture, best practices as well. As you can see, it is processing the request. It will just get all the files and folder which will be stored in our temporary folder, and now it is giving the detailed analysis about the report. As you can see, like it's a AI code assistant tool is there, which is created for Python based on AI and NLP based solution. Now it is providing the detailed analysis of the files, and it has created the technology stack as well, like which version and which language is being used to develop this entire solution, and the architecture overview is presented here, and it is also provided the project structure assessment, like what are the files are available, and furthermore it provides the detailed analysis about the code quality analysis, design patterns, technical debt assessment, and furthermore detailed analysis is provided. Also it provides the security assessment, data protection measures, and further details. Try to check with our security guidelines as well. Performance analysis and furthermore details are also provided in this particular tool, which is quite helpful to understand the entire project, how we have deployed the solution, and giving you the detailed analysis about everything. A quick summary is also provided here so that a developer or the project manager can review it and optimize the solution as per the requirement. So overall, this is the solution that I have created for this AI Malaysia hackathon, where we have used Streamlit as a front end, QWEN LLM to call our LLM tools. Then I have used the Python, and we have deployed our solution Alibaba Cloud, where we are utilizing the container images, to deploy on ECI and container registry to store our images. Since this is a Docker based project, I have also deployed this solution in Docker Hub, and for more details you can just go to you can now go to my repository and you can review this repository, and you can download a repository from here. The step-by-step instruction is provided here in my GitHub repo. You can go through it and let me know if there is any feedback, and you can utilize this. You can build this locally, or you can just pre-build. You can utilize the Docker Hub to use the pre-built images as well. So yeah, that's all for the presentation now. Thanks a lot and have a nice day.